Online class using Facebook and Messenger. Facebook can be utilized as an online classroom, or what we call Facebook Classroom, by creating a group in Facebook and setting the privacy setting into private so that you and your student can only see the group and turn it as a Facebook Classroom, wherein you can post your learning materials such as your slide deck or the PowerPoint, and then you can also post your announcement. You can also post the quiz, the assignments, and other materials that you will be using in your class. We are also using the Messenger to post the announcement, post the materials. We can post the PowerPoint or slide deck by turning the slide deck into images and then post it in our Messenger. And we can use this to communicate with our students, especially for those students who have no load or using free data. We can also conduct a class by creating a Messenger room and then set the date and time for your students to be informed. First thing to do is to check the attendance. I'm using the Messenger application to check the attendance by creating a message or writing a message, and then the students will like the message or react to the message by clicking the like button or thumbs up for them to be recognized. And then I will post reminders and using the Messenger room, so that we are also using the Messenger room and Messenger for those students who have no load or using free data. Opening prayer before starting the class. We start the online class by reading the objectives in our class. I allow my students to read the objectives. I call them by their name, and then they open their mic to read the objectives. And then we are also using other applications to boost their interest, such as Menti.com, Kahoot, to motivate the student and to boost their interest in our lesson. We are also using the Messenger for those students who can't access the Menti.com or other application to get their answers. I also promote collaboration in our class. I post an activity wherein the students are all involved and collaborate with each other. And they can also recite by raising their hand and determine if they are doing well in the class. The assessment will be posted in the Facebook Classroom or at their personal Messenger, and then the assignment will also be posted in the FB Classroom and Messenger. Then end the day with a closing prayer.